Is the Tivano Culinary Board the revolutionary kitchen tool it claims to be, or is it just another overhyped product backed by flashy marketing and little substance? In this video, we take a closer look at everything surrounding this trending item that's popping up all over social media and online ads. At first glance, the Tivano Culinary Board looks impressive, sleek design, multifunction use, and marketed as a must-have for modern kitchens. But when you start peeling back the layers, things quickly begin to look suspicious. The website is packed with high-pressure sales tactics like selling out fast, limited stock, and best deal today, all of which are commonly used to create false urgency and manipulate buyers into making quick decisions without proper research. That's already a major red flag. But it doesn't stop there. After digging deeper, we found the exact same board available on Alibaba at a much lower price, which strongly indicates this is a dropshipping product, essentially a cheap item being resold at a high markup with branding slapped on top. Even more concerning, the customer support phone number listed on Tivano's website is not unique. It's the same number used by several other low-trust or scam-like websites, which calls their entire operation into question. And if you're wondering about credibility, get this, the domain for the site was only registered in March 2025, making it a brand new and unproven online store with no history. On top of all that, there are no verified customer reviews anywhere, not on their website, not on Trustpilot, and not on any major review platforms. That kind of silence usually speaks volumes. So while the Tivano Culinary Board may look like a smart buy on the surface, our findings reveal a different story. This video isn't here to tell you what to do, but make sure you watch through and weigh all the facts before risking your hard-earned money on a product that might not live up to its promises.